Hi, I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru, and today I'm going to teach you how to make my Big Island burgers. They're spicy, delicious, and your friends are gonna love them. We start with Thai green curry paste, which can be found in good grocery stores and Asian markets. Place it in a bowl and add soy sauce. We're gonna add garlic and onion powder, black and white pepper, plus fresh cilantro, and stir that to combine. Add this curry mixture to 1 pound of ground pork or turkey, and form this into 8 little patties. While the burgers are cooking, let's make mango mayonnaise. In the food processor, we're gonna combine sliced mangoes and their juice, 1 cup of mayonnaise, fresh minced ginger, granulated sugar, lime juice, and a little sesame oil. Arrange some cocktail buns on a plate and top each one with a dollop of mango mayonnaise, and then the Big Island burgers. Top the burgers with my Big Island Slaw. These are my Big Island burgers. You've got to make these for dinner tonight. I'm Peter Harmon, and this has been another Food Guru Moment.